What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cute cartoon illustration of Kitten Garfield. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. We're going to start right in the middle with an oval, go out towards the side, and then back up towards the top. Now from the bottom center of the nose we're going to draw the muzzle. Let's start with the left side, and go all the way around like a circle, and then pull that in towards the side of the nose. Go back to the center, come down, around, and then in on the right side. Let's separate the eyes with a straight line coming down towards the nose. So we're going to go all the way up towards the top, draw a straight line coming down. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of that line and draw the left side of the eye. Let's start from the top, go all the way around, come down the side, and it's going to tuck that in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. We go up towards the same height, come around toward the bottom, and then bend that in. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the top of the eyes. Starting from the center, I'm going to draw a circle going out towards the left. Going up, around, and then in towards the middle. Let's draw that same size circle on the right. Going up towards the same height, coming down towards the same height, and then in towards the center. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So we're going to bring this in and back out, and we'll line that up on the right. Now I want to trace the iris along the inside going underneath the highlight. So we'll start on the left, come all the way around, and then tuck that in. And then we'll fill the pupils in black and going around that highlight. Now we're going to go up towards the top of the head and add some fur. Let's start over on the left, then this in and up towards the middle. Bring that back down. Let's add another point, going out and up, come down and out towards the right. Now going back over towards the left side, we're going to curve the head, going all the way around the eye and then in towards the chin. We're going to go out, come down the side of the head, and then pull that in towards the chin. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right, going around the eye, come down, and pull that in towards the center. Now along the top of the head, we're going to add in the ears. Let's start on the left side, bend this up and then out. Let's line this up on the right. Let's round up the ear, come down toward the top of the head. Let's trace those two curves along the inside. And then we'll add 3 sets of stripes along the side of the head. Let's start on the left, come down and in, come down and then out. Let's line that up over on the right, coming in the opposite direction, and then back out. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw that again. I'm just going to pull this in, aiming towards the eye, come down and out. Then again, leaving a gap, we'll add one more. Now we're going to go in and fill each of those stripes in black. Now along the top of the head, just on the outside of the ears, we're going to add some whiskers. Let's start on the left. We're going to step down, then it's up and then out. I'm just going to round up the end and just taper that back in towards the side of the head. Let's fill the inside in black. Now I want to add 2 smaller ones coming down the side of the head. So we're going to move down, pull this up, and then down. Again, I'm just going to round up the tip and just taper that back in. And we'll fill the inside in black. Let's add one more along the bottom. Just curling this around and then in. Round up the end. And we'll fill the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in the front legs. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's step over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to separate 3 paws along the bottom. Starting from the heel, curl this around, up, and then in. Almost like drawing a circle. Let's add 2 more. So from the bottom, curl this down, around and in. And then we'll do that one more time, going up towards the top of the paw, and we'll just bend that down. Let's draw the outside of the leg. Just going to bend this out and then up, just underneath the head. And then along the bottom, draw a straight line. Let's pull the hind legs out towards the side. We're going to start from the side of the leg, curl this around, down, and then in. And we're going to separate each of the paws. Let's add another one. Coming around and then in. And we'll do that one more time. From the outside, come around, and just tuck that in towards the bottom. Now from the heel, we're going to draw a small circle tucked in behind the front foot. And then from the top of the first paw, we're just going to curl the leg, going up and in underneath the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Kitten and Garfield. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.